I picked up the Accuteck all-in-one series W-8250-50 pounds. So this is a digital shipping postage scale with an AC adapter, but yet it could also run on batteries. Now, if you ever done any e-commerce or any kind of weighing for postage in your home office or just house, you know, an accurate portable shipping scale like this with a pretty big capacity of 50 pounds is a must-have. And this really just takes care of everything that you pretty much need. So if you're weighing boxes, if you're weighing stuff to ship, if you're selling on e-commerce, you could do most anything with this scale. Simple, easy buttons, nice large readout, has capability of running off batteries. This way you could be portable, or if you have no batteries and they run out, you still have the option to use the plug-in AC adapter. And the self-calibration does not require a 50-pound weight, so easy to self-calibrate, keeping you accurate and more productive. This is a must-have. Check it out.